speak English. I will try.
Bro, did you finish that level last night?
Yeah, it was so easy.
Today I come in school early.
Haha, what?
Wait, what did you say?
I coming school. What is that?
Oh my gosh.
Your English is weak.
Yeah, so weak.
Say it again. Say it again.
Come on, say it.
I was just...
No, say it the same way. I coming school.
Bro, that's not even English.
She always talks like that. Just don't speak English if you don't know it.
That was funny.
Yeah, weak English.
Maybe I shouldn't speak.
Hey, Emma, say something else.
Yeah, teach us your English.
See? She can't.
I practiced. Maybe my English is weak.
Come on, let's go.
Last one inside is slow.
Don't speak. Just stay quiet.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, Mr. Anderson.
Today, we're going to review yesterday's lesson. Open your books to page 23.
Bet someone messes this up again. Yeah.
Who can tell me what the main idea of the story was? Anyone? Emma, would you like to try?
Yes, sir.
Take your time.
The story is about,
Here we go.
Ma'am, I not understand question.
Not understand. Weak English.
I not understand.
That's okay, Emma. Let's fix the sentence together.
She always says it wrong.
Class, listen. We say, I do not understand the question. Or shorter, I don't understand the question. Emma, can you repeat after me?
I don't understand the question.
Good. One more time.
I don't understand the question.
Took long enough.
Remember, everyone makes mistakes. That's how we learn. Who else would like to answer?
The main idea is about friendship and helping others.
Excellent.
I practiced.
She should just stay quiet. Yeah.
All right, class, let's try another question. What happened at the end of the story? Anyone?
Not her.
Good work today, everyone. Review the vocabulary for tomorrow.
Not understand, huh?
Maybe next year.
I can say it. I don't understand the question. Give me one juice.
Give me one juice. That's exactly how she said it.
I asked for juice.
That's not how you're supposed to say it.
She understood me.
That's not the point.
Then what is you're supposed to say, can I have apple juice, please? I know that.
Then why didn't you say it?
I didn't need to.
That's not a reason.
It worked.
It sounded wrong.
It wasn't wrong. It sounded awkward. Maybe to you.
To everyone.
Not everyone.
You always talk like that.
Like what?
Slow, missing words.
I choose my words carefully. It makes it weird. It makes it simple.
It makes it wrong.
I'm learning.
You've been learning.
Yes.
Shouldn't you be better by now?
Learning takes time. Not that much time. You don't know how much time it takes for me.
We know what we hear.
You hear one sentence.
That's enough.
Not enough to judge.
We're not judging
You're repeating it.
because you react.
I react because you repeat it. You could just ignore us. That's not easy.
It is for everyone else.
I'm not everyone else.
Then say it right next time.
I will.
When?
When I'm ready. You make it harder than it is. It is hard.
It's just English.
For you.
What does that mean?
It means you don't think about every word.
Everyone thinks.
Not like this. Then practice more. I do practice.
It doesn't show.
You don't see everything.
We see what you say.
That's not everything about me.
We're talking about how you speak.
I'm more than how I speak. It still sounds wrong. It's not wrong. It's simple.
Then follow the rules.
I will.
Soon?
Yes.
We'll see.
Just stop repeating it.
Then stop saying it like that.
I'm not saying it for you.
Whatever.
Just fix it next time. Just leave it next time.
Emma, school is over. Why are you still here?
I just wanted to sit.
You look sad.
I'm okay.
That doesn't sound like okay.
They say my English is weak.
And do you believe them?
Maybe yes.
Your English is not weak. Your confidence is weak.
What does that mean?
It means you know the sentences. You just don't trust yourself.
I say things wrong.
Everyone says things wrong.
Not like me.
Exactly like you. Listen to me carefully. You are missing small pieces, not the whole language.
When I said I coming school, everyone laughed.
And what should it be?
I am coming to school.
Good. Say it again.
I am coming to school.
That's not weak English. That's one missing word. Just one word.
It feels bigger than one word.
It feels bigger because you let fear grow bigger than grammar.
I also said I not understand.
And the correct sentence?
I don't understand.
Perfect. You fixed it yourself. That means you know it.
I do know it.
Exactly. Your problem is not knowledge. It is confidence.
I get scared when they look at me.
Then stop looking at them. Look at your sentence.
How?
By using formulas. English is patterns. Patterns make you strong.
What kind of patterns?
First formula. Subject plus am, is, are plus verb ing. Say, I am learning.
I am learning.
Louder.
I am learning.
Good. Now say, I am speaking English.
I am speaking English.
Excellent. That is complete. Complete sentences sound confident
It sounds better than give me one juice.
because now it is complete. Now, second formula. Subject plus do not plus base verb. Say, I do not understand.
I do not understand.
Short form.
I don't understand.
Stronger.
I don't understand.
Very good. Now say, I don't give up.
I don't give up.
Again.
I don't give up.
That is confidence.
It feels stronger when I say it fully.
Exactly. Fear makes sentences shorter. Confidence makes them complete.
Fear makes sentences shorter. Confidence makes them complete.
Third formula. Can I plus base verb for asking politely. Say, can I have juice?
Can I have juice?
Add please.
Can I have juice, please?
Excellent. That sounds clear, respectful, strong.
It sounds better than give me one juice.
Because now it is complete.
I was scared to say the long sentence.
Long sentences are not dangerous. Fear is.
Okay.
Fourth formula. I can plus base verb. Say, I can speak.
I can speak.
Louder.
I can speak.
Now say, I can speak English.
I can speak English.
Excellent. That is complete. Complete sentences sound confident.
I can speak English.
Strong.
I am not weak.
Very strong. Now say, I am confident.
I am confident.
You see? Nothing weak there.
You see,
But what if they laugh tomorrow? Then you keep speaking.
what if I forget the sentence?
Then you rebuild it using the formula.
What if my voice shakes?
Then speak anyway.
Speak anyway.
Finish the sentence. Always finish it.
Like, not I coming school.
Correct. Finish it.
I am coming to school.
Good.
I don't understand.
Good.
Can I have juice, please?
Excellent.
I can speak English.
Strong.
I am not weak.
Very strong. I thought my English was broken. It was never broken. It was incomplete.
Incomplete.
And now?
Now I finish my sentences.
That's my student.
My English is not weak. My confidence was weak.
And now?
Now my confidence is strong.
Then show it tomorrow.
I will speak. I will finish my sentences. I am learning. I am improving. I am confident.
That's the Emma I know.
Hey.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Morning. You sound different.
I am practicing.
Practicing what?
Speaking clearly. I am going to school early today.
That was correct.
Yes,
Since when you talk like that?
since I started finishing my sentences.
What do you mean?
Yesterday I forgot words. Now I don't.
Like what words?
Helping words.
Example?
Instead of I going school, I say I am going to school.
That sounds better.
It is complete. I don't understand this word. Can you explain it?
Which word?
Improve.
It means to get better.
Thank you.
You didn't say it wrong this time.
I know.
You're not scared?
I was scared.
And now?
Now I speak anyway.
That sounds confident.
It is confident.
So no more short sentences?
Short sentences are okay. Incomplete sentences are not.
That makes sense.
I can speak English.
Yeah, you can.
So what changed?
I changed.
How?
I stopped thinking about laughing.
And started thinking about words?
Yes, subject plus verb. Finish the sentence.
That's actually smart.
I am improving.
You sound different today.
I feel different.
You don't look scared.
I am not weak.
You really believe that now?
Yes, I am ready for school.
You're serious.
I am serious.
Good morning, Emma.
Good morning.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Today's question is simple. Who can tell me what you did yesterday? Anyone? Yes, Emma.
I studied English yesterday.
Good. Complete sentence, very clear. Can you add one more detail?
I studied English at home.
Excellent. That is confident speaking. How did you study?
I practiced sentences.
What kind of sentences?
Complete sentences.
Can you give us an example?
Yes, I am learning English.
Good. Another one?
I don't give up.
Very good. Notice something, class. Emma finished her sentences. That is strong communication. Emma, tell me, what do you do when you don't understand something?
I don't understand. Can you explain it?
Perfect. Clear and polite. No fear in that sentence.
No fear.
And how do you ask for something politely?
Can I have a pencil, please?
Very good. That is correct and respectful. Do you feel nervous right now?
A little.
And what are you doing anyway?
Speaking anyway.
That is confidence. Emma, say one sentence about today.
I am ready to learn.
Excellent. One more.
I can speak clearly.
And one more.
I am not afraid.
That is progress. That is growth. Emma, what changed from yesterday?
I stopped stopping in the middle.
What do you mean?
Yesterday I said half sentences. Today I finished them.
And how does that feel?
Stronger.
Why?
Because the sentence sounds complete.
Exactly. Confidence grows when sentences are complete. Let's try something small. I will say a broken sentence. You fix it. Ready?
Ready.
I going to school.
I am going to school.
I not understand.
I don't understand.
Give me book.
Can I have the book, please?
Excellent. Emma, say something about yourself.
I am improving every day.
Do you believe that?
Yes.
Say it again.
I am improving every day.
Louder.
I am improving every day.
That is how you speak when you respect yourself. Do you respect yourself?
Yes.
Then keep speaking like that.
I will.
One final sentence, Emma.
My English is getting better.
And how do you know?
Because I am finishing my sentences.
That is not just English. That is discipline.
I can speak English.
Yes, you can.
I can answer questions.
Yes,
I can learn more.
absolutely.
I am ready.
Thank you, Emma.
Thank you.